Textiles account for 5.7% of the solid waste in landfills. Global clothing production has doubled in the past 15 years, with clothing on average being worn much less and discarded quicker than ever. 20% of industrial water pollution come from textile treatment and dyeing. Wastewater contains toxic substances such as lead mercury and arsenic. 1.5 trillion liters each year, 200 tons water. It takes more than 700 gallons of water to produce enough cotton needed for a single t-shirt. Each time we wash a synthetic garment such as polyester or nylon, about 19,000 individual microfibers are released into the water, making their way into our oceans. Scientists have discovered that small aquatic organisms ingest those microfibers. These are eaten by small fish, which are later eaten by bigger fish. Clothing in landfills leach chemicals and dyes into groundwater, further polluting freshwater source. As clothing decomposes, greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane are released. The fashion industry accounts for 10% of global carbon emissions. It generates a lot of greenhouse gases from manufacturing and transporting the millions of garments purchased each year. Please always be aware of your purchase. These brands like Beachy Design, Real Material, Gucci, Canoe Wear, Sayang, please support suitable brands. Advocate for brand transparency.